Good morning, my dear students. Now I will discuss class 7 maths from chapter 9 understanding shapes. At first I will tell you so many angles are there from the understanding shapes. Shapes will be comes from angle. Acute angle, that means if the angles are less than 90 degree, it is called acute angle. If it is 90 degree only, it is called right angle. If it is more than 90 but less than 180 degree, it is called the obtuse angle. And straight angle, if it is 180 degree, it is called a straight angle. And relaxed angle, that means the angles, if the angles are more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. Relaxed angle, that means the angles which are more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree, it is called reflex angle. Reflex angle. And then complete angle, it will be in circle, that means a point, obviously it will be. So 360 degree is a complete angle. Now I will discuss complementary angles and some supplementary angles. At first I will tell you the complementary angles or the supplementary angles is a part of is a pairs of angles. That means both of these angles. If the sum of two angles is 90 degree, they are called the complementary angles, and one angle is called the complement of the others. That means suppose one angle is 30 degree, so another angle or the complementary of 30 degree angle, it will be 90 minus 30. If it is complementary angles, on that time we should subtract this particular angle from 90 degree, because the sum of two angles is 90 degree. Here is one example. AOB, here AOB angle is 30 degree and BOC is 60 degree. So these are sum of these two angles are 90 degree. That means these two angles are the complementary to each others, 30 and 60. 45 and 45 also the same here, and 20, 70, these are the complementary angle. Now I will discuss the supplementary angles. If the sum of two angles is 180 degree, they are called the supplementary angles, and one angle is a supplement of the others. That means two angles or the sum of two angles is 180 degree. Suppose one angle is 100 degree, on that time 180 minus 100, that means 80 degree is the supplementary angles of 100 degree angle. When it is supplementary time, on that time we should subtract this particular angle from 180 degree, because the sum of both angles or two angles is 180 degree. These are, here is some example, 60 degree and 120 degree. The sum of 60 degree and 120 degree is 180 degree. That means these two angles are supplement to each others. So you should learn which are the acute angle and know these things: right angle, obtuse angle, and straight angle, reflex angle, and complete angle. Then pair of angles. From pair of angles, it will be complementary angle and supplementary angle. So I will give you some homeworks from complementary angles, supplementary angles, which one I taught. Okay. So these are will be goes as your homework from page number 180 or 180. Okay, thank you my dear students, thank you for watching.